Welcome to Huntington Beach. We made a trip out here this June to kick off the summer. The weather was absolutely perfect, not too hot. With a crisp, cool ocean breeze blowing through the air. You could instantly feel those classic California vibes.
Of course, we weren't the only ones with this idea. The beach was pretty crowded, and finding a parking spot near the iconic pier was next to impossible.
As you can see, we kept driving around in circles hoping to find a parking spot close to the iconic pier, but there was absolutely nothing available. Despite that, we really enjoyed taking in the surroundings, the beautiful establishments, tall trees, and lush greenery.
This place is truly well maintained, even though it's always packed with tourists. You can see just how many cars there are and how many people are crossing the street.
We kept going back to the pier parking area, but we finally gave up. We decided to just look for a parking spot along the side of the road instead.
So, I just took some videos close to the pier so you could see the area too. For your information, most metered street parking along the Huntington Beach side of the road is subject to a 2-hour time limit. Street meters typically charge $3 to $3.50 per hour.
Even though we just parked on the side of the road, it was still totally fine.
It was actually really close to the beach area, and the walk was nice since it wasn't too hot.
The white sand at Huntington Beach is beautiful, and it was so entertaining to watch the beachgoers.
Kids and adults riding bikes, laughing and happily eating. There is also a good-sized play area with playground equipment right near the restrooms. However, the line for the bathroom was really long. From where we parked, you could still easily see the pier. Plus, you'll feel completely safe because there are lifeguards and medics stationed nearby.
Honestly, it didn't even matter. We just parked, hopped out, and took a quick, excited walk straight to the sand. The moment we stepped onto the beach, we saw why they call this Surf City. The waves were massive and incredibly strong. Watching them crash against the shore was mesmerizing, even with the crowds. Just standing by the water and watching the surfers tackle those tall waves was unforgettable. I wish I knew how to surf. For sure, surfing here would be so enjoyable. As you can see, the waves have such a strong force. I'm sorry this video is so short, but I hope you still enjoyed it. May I kindly ask you to please subscribe to my channel? Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.